I would like to thank God for this wonderful moment. Blessed to all the Nagas together here at Tangkhul Nagalong ground to celebrate the 30th General Conference of Naga Student Federation. The President and his esteemed colleagues of NSF, the tribunals, the seniors of NSF, the President and colleagues of the federating units and subordinate bodies, the Chairman NESO and his esteemed colleagues, and other umbrella organization leaders, President and his colleagues of ENSF, and all leaders of Nagas in different capacity, the civil society organizations of Southern sector, and Naga Hoho. I wish to support, I wish to supplement, and pardon me for not being able to mention all those who have mentioned by our chairperson, my friend Ilu, to save time. My respect in regard to all of you in this General Conference, the 30th General Conference. Despite of all odds, I must congratulate the TKS for hosting this General Conference. In the 76 years of our journey, the record of NSF shows that this is the 3rd General Conference that is taking place here in UKHRUL Manipur. We, as a convener, I would like to say that we have faced a lot of odds. Despite of all odds, we could make it. And thank you, all the leaders who stood behind to make it success. The theme of this conference was chosen as Nagas Beyond Border, is to re-energize ourselves, to think and to prepare to march on. And therefore, we are fortunate to have a person like Dr. UKHRUL Manipur, who's not only a people's representative, but an educationist, a well-researched, thorough scholar. And the Pro-Vice Chancellor, Professor G. Thong, who will be delivering on the theme, Nagas Beyond Border. Nagas today, I am proud to be called Nagas. I thank God for that. No matter what, the artificial boundary that is demarcated to place the Nagas into different small pieces, we don't recognize that. And we will hear that from our team speakers and our honorary guests. Thank you, Sir UKHRUL Manipur, for accepting an invitation to grace this occasion as a special guest or honorary guest. The rest we will follow, and I just wanted to mark that coming together is the beginning. Reasoning together is for progress, but working together is for success. I feel what Nagas will have tomorrow will determine by what is in our heart today. The present younger generation got to take a reference, advice from seniors and elders. However, working together collectively in solidarity beyond boundaries, leaving aside individual interest, will and can create conducive atmosphere and acceptable future results. Therefore, Let us, in unison and solidarity, work hard, progressive society at this critical juncture. Nagas are at the crossroad. It is the responsibility of intellectual Nagas to stand. We should not allow any factor to code on us. And I believe that by having this conference and having a dignified personalities will enlighten us to take and reach our vision. Thank you all of you. Kugnalim.